To the editor, the ZVAITWA newspapers, we are writing to express our utter dismay and disappointment at the actions of MP Kwidini and also the Deputy Minister of Health and Child Care. His recent behavior has brought shame to the highest offices in the land and tarnished the image of our government. From the concerned citizens. Pamsoro, our the minister, our Health and Child Care. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. As we all know, the Minister of Youth had previously highlighted the dire state of hospitals, emphasizing the need for urgent attention. However, in a shocking display of dishonesty, the Deputy Minister of Health misused Parliament, claiming that hospitals nationwide were receiving adequate supplies of medicines and other essential services. The blatant disregard for the truth was further exposed when President Mnangagwa made a secret visit to hospital in Harare, including Paranyatwa, and witnessed firsthand the horrific conditions patients were enduring. The state of despair, with the floor tiles and ceilings deteriorating and patients dying, is nothing short for unacceptable. What is even more appealing is the Deputy Minister's health interference in jurisdiction and the boundaries of Chief Bunina. On May 26th, he visited Worcestershire farm residence, Chiundura, Mkweru Rural, accompanied by a headman named Mambeva, and announced to the Worcestershire community that they no longer fall under Chief Bunina's jurisdiction. This move was made without the knowledge of or consent of Chiefs CHAMISA and Bunina, and had caused unnecessary confusion among the residents. According to the Zimbabwean Constitution, it is not within the mandate of an MP and Deputy Minister of Health to intervene in the jurisdiction and boundaries of chiefs. The boundaries between Chief Bunina and Chief CHAMISA have long been established, with the Gweru Highway serving as the dividing line. Areas such as Romark Farm, Worcestershire Farm, Springville Farm, and parts of Zaloba have always fallen under Chief Bunina's jurisdiction. We urge the President to take immediate action and hold the Deputy Minister accountable for his actions. The people of Zimbabwe deserve better leadership, and it is time for government to prioritize the needs of its citizens over personal interests and agendas. Thank you, concerned citizens. Domashukano yapangwa ine vanhu vachimhan'ara kuti aiwa madeputy minister vari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa vari kuita zvisiri izvo, vari kuuya panapa vachidiscredita mutungamiri wenyika. Apina kuma section medu dzemafuro emo tikundi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.